Hi, it's me, Izzy, and today I am going to be opening a Fidget pack, homemade edition.
Homemade?
Yes, Mother. Sorry, my mom. You guys get the first peek. Ooh, what's in there? Ooh, something. Okay, first thing. Oh, hold on. We have to see. So it's either between common or rare. Thank you. It says, thank you. You got a rare. I got a rare package. Yay. Let me start off with the stuff that came in the package. I'd pay $50 for this.
$50?
Yes, Mom, $50. So I got this Orby squish ball. Another Orby squish ball. Really squishy. Orby squish ball with water in it, which I'm going to be giving one of these to my mother over there. Say hi, Mom.
Hello, squishy.
She's getting one of these for work. Okay, so then, ooh, the extra. Just an air balloon that has an E on it for extra. $50 again.
Okay, so the cats are starting to eat the Orbeez on the floor.
Okay, I'll pick them up after. No, the marble from. Sorry, give me 1 minute. Dang. Sorry, my marble mesh broke, which is sad because I paid $50 for it. Yeah, $50. Kind of sucks, right? You pay for it, and it broke.
Tell me about it.
It sucks. Okay, but okay. Oh, it's wet, so I can't tape it. There's nothing else in my Fidget pack, but thank you for watching my Fidget. Hold on, I haven't showed you the marble mesh. So here's my marble mesh. I made it homemade. It's a marble and mesh. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you guys get a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notifications. Thank you for coming. Gray is the way. Bye.
Great.